The recommended videos section on YouTube is a crucial component of the platform. It is responsible for suggesting new content to users, keeping them engaged and entertained. The section is generated using an algorithm that considers several factors, including the user's viewing history, preferences, and search queries. In this analysis, we will examine how YouTube's recommendation algorithm works and the potential impacts it may have on users. YouTube's recommendation algorithm utilizes several factors to recommend videos to users. These include viewing history. YouTube's algorithm considers a user's previous viewing history and recommends videos that are similar to the ones they have watched before. Search queries. The platform also uses a user's search queries to suggest relevant videos. For example, if a user searches for cooking, they are likely to see cooking-related videos in their recommended section. Watch time. The amount of time a user spends watching a video is also considered. The algorithm prioritizes videos that have a high watch time, as it indicates that users are engaged with the content. Engagement. YouTube's algorithm also considers how engaged users are with a video. This includes likes, comments, and shares. Videos with high engagement are more likely to be recommended to other users. Channel subscriptions. The platform also suggests videos from channels that users have subscribed to. Location and language. YouTube also takes into account a user's location and language preferences. This ensures that users see content that is relevant to their location and language. By combining these factors, YouTube's algorithm generates a personalized list of recommended videos for each user. The algorithm also constantly learns and adjusts based on a user's viewing behavior. This means that over time, the recommended videos section becomes more tailored to a user's preferences. The impact of YouTube's recommendation algorithm on users can be both positive and negative. On the positive side, the algorithm allows users to discover new and relevant content that they may not have found otherwise. It also helps users stay engaged with the platform, leading to increased watch time and ad revenue for creators. However, the recommendation algorithm has also been criticized for promoting harmful and misleading content. The algorithm is designed to prioritize videos with high engagement, which can lead to the promotion of clickbait and sensationalist content. This can be particularly harmful when it comes to political and social issues, where misleading information can have real-world consequences. Another potential negative impact of the recommendation algorithm is the creation of filter bubbles. Filter bubbles are when a user's recommended videos become increasingly narrow and one-sided. This can lead to users being exposed only to content that confirms their existing beliefs and biases, and can limit their exposure to new and diverse perspectives. To address these concerns, YouTube has implemented several changes to its recommendation algorithm. For example, the platform now reduces recommendations of borderline content and content that could misinform users. It has also launched initiatives to promote authoritative sources and reduce the spread of conspiracy theories and misinformation. In conclusion, YouTube's recommendation algorithm plays a crucial role in keeping users engaged with the platform. By considering a user's viewing history, preferences, and search queries, the algorithm generates a personalized list of recommended videos. While the algorithm has been criticized for promoting harmful and misleading content, YouTube has implemented changes to address these concerns. The continued evolution of the recommendation algorithm will be crucial to ensuring that users are exposed to diverse perspectives and high-quality content.